welcome back to my channel. So I promised you guys a giveaway when I hit 200 subscribers. Thank you so much again for watching my videos. In our giveaway today, I am going to be giving away this makeup brush cleaner from Amazon, and I'm going to show you how to use it in this video, and keep watching until the end and you will know how to enter the giveaway. All right, let's get started. Okay guys, so this is everything that is included in your makeup brush cleaner box. You have your little dish bowl and you have all of these rubber connectors for your brushes, and they're different sizes. What you're going to do is fit your brush in those nice and snug and then connect it to that machine and clean away. So here I have a dirty brush. I use it for foundation and things like that, so it gets pretty caked on there. So I found the right size for my brush and I'm connecting it to the little machine, making sure everything is nice and snug and fits properly. Once I do that, then you're going to put the brush inside of the water, submerged before you turn it on, and as you see, it just spins away, gets rid of all of that caked on makeup. And then you're going to pull the brush out and it's going to spin dry, which is the best part because it's so much less work that you actually have to do. And as you can see, the brush is clean and it's dry, super easy. So now I'm just going to continue to do the rest of my brushes. I haven't cleaned them in a while, so they're pretty dirty. As you can see, the water is totally brown, which is disgusting. But it's a good thing I have this little machine, makeup brush cleaner, to help make my job a lot easier, and it also saves me a lot of time. So this is what I was talking about. You definitely want to submerge it all the way and also fan it inside of the bowl. Definitely don't lift it out or you're gonna have these little disasters that I had. But you know, it was my first time using it, and I think by the end of it I did a pretty good job. Overall, it's a really great machine and I really appreciate it making cleaning brushes so much easier. Alright guys, that is it. That is how you use this super awesome and amazing makeup brush cleaner. I really hope you guys like it. Whoever wins, I'm so excited for you already, even though it hasn't happened yet. So all you have to do is go down to the description of this video and there's a link to Amazon, and Amazon is how I'm doing the giveaway. So there's two things you have to do. Number one, comment below some of your favorite makeup items of 2018 so far. And then second thing is click the Amazon link below and it'll take you, and you would just follow the directions and it'll enter you to win this awesome makeup brush cleaner. Again, thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for over 200 subscribers. I just hope we continue to grow and hang out together like this when I post videos. So thank you again for subscribing and for watching. You guys are so awesome. Alright guys, that is it. That is the end of my video. Really hope you guys liked it. Please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel if you want to see more. Thanks for watching. Bye.